I can't figure this one out. I need your help.
No problem, Sammy.
Professor Thorne robbed a bank and I've recovered the money. I think it's fake. How do we tell what's real?
This is tricky. What you're talking about is counterfeiting, Sammy.
Okay, well, what's counterfeiting?
A counterfeit is something that is fake, like the money you found.
Okay, but how do we solve this one?
All we have to do is use a counterfeit detection pen. Because of the chemicals in the pen, when the pen colors a fake bill, it turns black.
Okay, let's do it. Ah, I can see it happening. These ones are fake.
You see, real dollars are made with special paper, with very specific threads and other materials woven into them. Real bills will mark gold.
Oh, I see. Thanks, Bea.
It's not magic, Sammy, it's science. Thanks to you all for helping us solve the case. See you next time.